Are you looking for the top 5 best dashcam for trucker review? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 best dashcam for trucker review on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1, REDTIGER F7 and 4K dual dashcam. You must have heard about REDTIGER if you have previously looked for dashcam systems. REDTIGER is a rather premium brand that offers a great selection of dashcams for professional drivers. In second place, we have the REDTIGER F7 and dual dashcam setup. Unlike our last choice, this set includes 2 high-quality cameras that provide you both front and rear view on the included display. As for the front camera, you will find a stunning 4K capture resolution, which can be adjusted to 2.5K to compensate for the storage. The rear camera, on the other hand, has FHD 1008x resolution. The display of the REDTIGER F7 and set comes with a 3.16 inches IPS display panel, which is the perfect option for a 4K surveillance camera. You can install up to 256 GB SD cards on this set, so that storage capacity won't be a problem for you. Other smart features of the REDTIGER F7 include a built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality that allows direct connection with smartphones, with many advanced functionality such as GPS tracking. This unit has a lifetime warranty period from REDTIGER. Number 2, Rove R2 4K Dashcam. The Rove R2 4K Dashcam features 4K Ultra HD recording with 2106 type resolution. It provides good footage and images in low light conditions due to its super night vision technology. The device has built-in GPS to record location, speed, and route, which you can view on Google Maps. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi, and you can manage your recordings on your electronic devices using an app. You can also easily share this footage on social media websites. Other features include foam 0.8 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, and slow-mo video. The Chicago-based company also provides a 1-year warranty. Users report that it's easy to use, the picture quality is good, and it works well at night. However, the memory card is not included in the purchase. Also, it only has a 150-degree view angle, and there have been some complaints that the suction cup mount is not very good. Number 3, Old Shark 3-inch Dashcam. Old Shark's 3-inch dashcam offers design perks that a good number of other budget models simply lack. A 170-degree recording angle and 1080p resolution put it on par with most other dashcams. Although the recording angle is perfect for use in trucks to cover the entire front view of the vehicle, with an operating temperature between 15 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit, the dashcam does a good job of remaining operational even when left exposed to the harsh conditions of direct sunlight. The camera also does a good job of preserving battery life by turning on and off automatically with the engine. Finally, the automatic G sensor kicks on when an impact is detected to save the recording into long-term memory. While it can survive working in high temps, the camera tends to run hot in these conditions. The body can feel like it's on the verge of cooking, even though actual damage is unlikely. Heat buildup also occurs if the camera runs for a long period of time. Other cons here include a less than ideal battery life when not plugged in, and a suction cup that can fail to stay mounted in heat. Number 4, Toguard Dual Dashcam. A camera that's designed for use with taxis, Uber, Lyft, and other personal transportation services, has a lot to offer to fleet managers who want to keep an eye on drivers as well as the road. Toguard's dual dashcam fits into this category, providing 2 separate cameras that can each rotate 360 degrees between the front and back, and a few handy safety features that are perfect for truck use. The unique perk with this camera is that both cameras each have a 170-degree recording angle that is large enough to capture almost the entire view of the front and the cabin of the truck. The near 360-degree angle range works well with the general on-road recording, but the real advantage of this setup comes with the camera's 24-hour parking monitor and motion detection system. If you plan on leaving a truck sitting around, this dashcam can stay on to capture events. The only major quirks with this dashcam come courtesy of the built-in screen. The screen has a habit of turning off after 3 minutes by default, and it's difficult to find the right instructions in menu settings to change this if you want to keep the screen on at all times. The included instruction manual is confusing in other areas as well, such as how to set up the camera before the initial use. Number 5, Garmin dezlCam 785 LMT-S. GPS Truck Navigator with built-in dashcam. If you're in need of a navigator as well as a dashcam, consider the Garmin dezlCam 785 LMT-S. This truck navigator is a bit on the pricey side, but it provides a lot of bang for the buck. It has a built-in dash cam, which automatically records trips and saves video of any incidents that may occur. It includes forward collision and lane departure warnings for safety. The device has custom truck routing based on the size, load, and weight of your vehicle, and issues alerts for upcoming bridge heights, steep grades, etc. The compatible app provides traffic and weather, and the device uses Bluetooth hands-free calling. The unit also has built-in Wi-Fi And you can purchase the Garmin E-Log compliant ELD for hours of service, HOS recording. This is a great navigator/dashcam combo. But if you don't need GPS, then this item is probably overkill. Also, some users have complained that the mount is not very good, which can affect the dashcam recordings.